na kurguli kito matatanin tuto kabira na kurguli kita garesta kini matatama libukin na rangi kanta tu rei da tiongko bunungko kito motoka nangaunaya me awosong to nabuna nasa mu kito kento tu mobi narani ona rei da tiongko na hardcore buku tagi mai na waleni kuro na hardcore ya delani dom kere takui kere ke sango on rambura nelewa ramai songo tu wana rumu ne maraman dikores yang na bono ambula ripta ka kede na delani vale ya kitu babi bina ka vale bona matanitu tiko na ilaban na Ministry of Education kay ito sa mga takay tulos sa kabulong doon. Wabi na banata ka na mata nito Ministry of Education tiko na ilabo meraw mesuliamay ito sa manibang takaya.
Witness that the Honorable Prime Minister of the nation tells some secondary school what he wants to do, especially for the young generation. We don't have much, but we understand and we hope that you will, management of the South School, the principal, staff, and students, you know.
But I've heard from the principal the problem that you've had here over the last couple of weeks, especially during the Hurricane Winston. And it's not new, this story about damages to school. In fact, I'm going around with the commissioner, northern to inspect the schools and also have a look at the communities that have been ravaged by Hurricane Winston. The government will do all it can to assist in case of schools, assist the management and the students in trying to fix the schools again so you can enjoy the facility as you have done previously.
Tali. Dua.